So Bradans, quick update video, what is happening with Bitcoin right now, and I want to speak with you about the supermoon. I mean, it's a little bit astrology, but I want to show you based on the past what happened when we had a supermoon, because the next supermoon we will have on the 14th June. Let's go in the charts. By the way, Julian wrote, nice brother, best crypto channel, thank you very much. And Kazi wrote, your views are not justify your work, so much learning for beginners. Thank you very much, brother. And it would very help if you share this video, guys, to your friends if it helped you. So right now, let us quickly watch. So we're watching right now. I come in a minute to the supermoon. So on the 4-hourly candle, we reached perfectly our price tag of 31,500. I told you if we break 4-hourly EMA ribbon, we can long here to 31,500. Congratulations to everyone who did it, and take profits like I told you, right? Because I expecting that we will see here at least some consolidation or even a dump, because we are heavily overbought on the 4-hourly and we heavily overbought on the 1-hourly. So what I'm expecting here is yes, we could see another pump to 31,800 is our price tag, then the 32,000, but and then I expecting some consolidation or dump, because we are heavily overbought. We have to see some consolidation or dump. We cannot be so overbought. So what I could imagine, if we, or I say a different way, if we break 31,400 with a clear 4-hourly candle, with the clear 1-hourly candle, with the clear selling volume, we can shorting down to the 4-hourly EMA ribbon. I would say even to 30,500 approximately, because we have here a lot of support coming in. Here we could make 2.8%, 10x edge 28%, 5x leverage 14%. If we break above 32,000, then in my opinion we can make a long position with, but I would say a clear 1-hourly candle closing with the clear 1-hourly volume. Then we can along below 35,000, because 35,000 is psychology border, so it would be 8.7%, and then would be the next price target around here 35,800, because it's 11.8%, x 100 11%, 5x 55%. Why this red line? Because you see we have here a lot of support, resistance, and this would be our huge resistance zone. And you see also here at 35,800 approximately, you see here a lot of support which would turn into a resistance. So quick summary, we can long Bitcoin if we break above 32,000. This is an opportunity in my opinion if we close 1-hourly candle with the clear 1-hourly volume, or we can short down Bitcoin if we break 31,400 with the clear selling red candle with the clear selling volume. In my opinion, very clear where we are doing it, guys. Right now we are doing it on Bybit. On Bybit you get 4,620 for free after initial deposit, or if you don't have initial deposit, you can still get on Bybit 30 days zero maker fee. And I'm doing also a giveaway to everyone who's registered through my Bybit link of $2,000 worth of Bitcoin. So right now let us come to the supermoon, guys, and what happened previous on the supermoon. I turn here the moon phases on to show you why people so excited about the moon. I explain you quickly here. Wait a minute, I have to turn off all this. Wait a minute. So okay, why people are all excited of moon phases? Because look, every time we have a moon, a normal moon, full moon, we see pump. Every time when we see a new moon, it's a green one. Then we see dump. You see pump. Okay, here we have a little bit of pump, right? But here we see also some pump, right? So every time when we see a new moon, or the most of the time we see a pump, right? And right now the people are very excited of the supermoon. You see here pump. Every time when full moon, this white one, we see pump, and so the people are very excited about the supermoon. So now I wanted to speak with you quickly about it, because wait a minute, here I take some notice of the previous supermoon and what happened. Let us watch together. I just want to show you based on the past. So we had on 28 March 2020 supermoon. 28 March was here, you see at here, this was the supermoon, and what we saw after the supermoon, we saw a pump of you see it began a little bit before the supermoon. We saw a pump of around 24 percent, right? This is very nice and very crazy, right? Then the next one was 27th April. Let us watch what happened here. 27th April, it was here. This was also the supermoon. Exactly shortly before the supermoon, we saw also starting a pump of approximately also around 19%, so around 20%. Also 24% was on the March, 20% on April. What was on May? Let us watch together what happened on May. On May we saw here 26th May. What was here, we saw also here, it was quite volatile, but we saw at the end also pump of 23%, right? The first pump was around 15%, then we saw some dump, and then we saw going to 24%. Very interesting, guys. Also, we are watching June, 24th June. What happened on 24th June? 24th June we have here. We saw also a crazy pump, right? A crazy pump to even 40%. And the supermoon and on the 24th June last year was the local low, so the lower low, and after it we saw this huge pump to 70,000, right? So 69,000, from 30,000 to 69,000. It's very interesting. I just want to show you the information. Also, I have not only 2021, we have also 2000. What happened in 2000? Let us quickly watch March 9th. On the March 9th, we saw here, where's the March 9th? Let's watch also here together. You saw here, March 9th was the previous low before. This was a supermoon on March 9th, and this is exactly this crazy. This was exactly our lowest low point of our bear market. We had this bear market, you see, which was from 2029 to 2020, and this was our lowest low. So this was the bottom, and exactly at the bottom we started to see Bitcoin rising. So this was at least 156% pump, and after it this was where we saw Bitcoin going from here around 3,000 to 65,000. I mean, this is crazy. This was the previous supermoon in 2020. Then we saw at April 2008, April 2022. This was here, this moon, and after this supermoon we saw also a huge pump, right? We saw also pump of around 50%, and then we saw on the 7th May 2020 also supermoon. I'm showing you here. Wait a minute, where's the here on May, on 7 May, we saw also a crazy pump of 27%, and after it, this huge pump. I mean, it's very interesting. And right now, let us together watch what will happen. What will happen next? We will see on the 14th June. So today is which day we have today? Which date? We have 6th June. So in 7 days, right? We will see at the 14th. We will see a new full moon. This will be a super moon, and we will see in July another supermoon. So let us watch. Will we see a huge pump, or will we see a huge dump? Nobody can predict it, and I just wanted to show you this information, guys, because I'm not an astrologist, but and it's also not technical analysis. I just wanted to show you, and yes, I'm very excited what will happen. Anyways, quick summary, guys. I mean, the S&P 500 should open with the pump, and yes, it opened exactly like I told you with the pump. Let us watch here. The S&P 500 opened with a pump. I told you because I saw it in the futures. I'm not Nostradamus, guys, so please do your own research. But I saw it in the S&P 500 futures, so it was very clear. Usually, if we open with the pump, after it we see a dump. I don't know why this is. It's like that. And usually when we open with the dump, we see a huge pump after. So I'm excited what happened, what will happen here. And if we are watching on the 4-hourly EMA ribbon, the S&P 500, it's very be very cautious, because look, we retested so much the S&P 500, and you know the rule, the more often you retest support, the more likely we will break down. So I'm expecting here breakdown, and if the S&P 500, we will see a breakdown in the S&P 500, we will see also a breakdown in the Bitcoin market and all the crypto market, right? And this pump, it was so crazy. This pump was perfectly correlated with the S&P 500 futures pump. We saw the S&P 500 futures pumping and also Bitcoin pump. Let us watch what will do S&P 500 today. So this is what I'm watching. In my opinion, it's very clear what we can do here. Again, if we break 31,400 approximately, a clear 1 hourly candle, we can short down until the start of the 4 hourly EMA ribbon to 30,500, 30,600, 2.5%, 10/25%, 5/12.5%. If we break with the 1 hourly candle clearly above 32,000 with a clear volume, we can long Bitcoin. And also, you know, if Bitcoin pump above 32,000, we can long Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the other altcoins. If we break below 31,400, we can short Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the other altcoins, right? So where you can do it, guys, on Bybit, you can short, long, you can buy on spot, Ethereum, Solana, all these altcoins. Photo 620 you get for free after initial deposit, 30 days zero maker fee, and I make a giveaway end of this month of $2,000 worth of Bitcoin. I will randomly somebody choose and show you in the video. Last month somebody won $1,000. I showed you also in the video, and the same will do. I doubled the price with $2,000. So let us watch a lot of information, guys. Please watch the video again because it was a very valuable information. Watch the video again if you didn't understand it, and send to somebody, to a friend. It will help your friend, it will help me to gain more reach, right? And I want also to thank you for so much positive feedback in the comments. It's not only helping the algorithmic, it's also nice for me. It's a nice vibe, right? And motivating me very much. So guys, tell me what you are doing right now. You're shorting, long, you're standing on sideways, sideline. Don't forget about the Bybit link. Photo 620 you get for free. As soon as I get a better offer from some exchange, I will also present it to you. You know, we are trading on several exchanges right now. Bybit offering us giving us the best offer. So go right now, make the registration, claim your bonus, or just get your 30 days zero maker fee. And if you have any questions, write me also down below, and I will in the next video. I didn't get it because I have to I'm driving right now back to my home because I have a 90-minute massage. I have to chill a little bit, you know, and I will do in the next video also today a TA on Solana, because somebody asked me. I will do it, bratan, for you, Solana TA. If you have any question, write me down below. Don't forget the bonus 1 minute registration claim down below, and I kiss you and see you later.